Now you can hear and see the heartbeats digitally on your mobile screen. And also you will get digital amplification. It means technology enhance the sound during auscultation. If we talk about the active noise cancellation, it can reduce ambient noise and interference with the help of a Bluetooth connectivity. And you will get rechargeable battery in the core digital stethoscope. And one more thing. It is lightweight stethoscope, and there are 4 colors in the core digital stethoscope. If you want to buy digital stethoscope, you can visit our website surgicalshop.co.in. And if you want to know about the upcoming offers and discounts, subscribe our channel Surgical Shop. And also, if you found this video informative, please do like, share and subscribe our channel Surgical Shop.